This is moving. I'm just going back to the camp. Go for a water break. So just grab some stuff here. Usual suspects.
What's up, man?
Hey, man.
Yeah.
All right, we're still at Goodguys. It's windy. We're off the cannon. We're done with that, and we're gonna come over to the flea market because there's stuff over here. Goodguys is not just a car show, in case you didn't know. There's also sales. Oh, there's one over there. Let's go over and look at this. Most of this cars over here are for sale. So, you see a car that you want to buy, come to Goodguys. And we have a 1973 Chevy Vega GT. We're over in the swap meet, the flea market. So if you got a project you want to get into that. There's tons of interesting stuff out here, I gotta tell you. What a 65. I gotta stop. Too bad it's GoPro. And there it is from the rear. The UTE. Most of these are just for sale. These are just cars that people are trying to sell. So that's what you're looking at. There's a lot of vehicles that are for sale. 13,500 for a 68 Chevy van.